Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make this tasty, delicious chicken jalfrezi recipe. Let's begin. For the ingredients I have 1 kg chicken thigh boneless, 3 types of bell pepper and onions chopped in a square shape, 2 blended tomatoes. For spices I have 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon black pepper, 3/4 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon cumin and coriander powder, and 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder. I also have 1.5 tablespoon chopped garlic and 5 to 6 tablespoons of ketchup. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the vegetables, and we're going to fry this for 15 seconds because we want it to stay crunchy. In the same pan, add half cup of oil. Add chopped garlic and cook until it's light brown. The garlic is cooked. I'm now going to add the chicken. Cook until the water evaporates. Flame medium to high. After 10 minutes, add the blended tomatoes and mix well. Now add the spices and mix well. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes. The chicken is nicely cooked. Now add ketchup. Mix well. Add the fried vegetables, and I'm only gonna cook this for 15 seconds as I still want them crunchy. It is ready. I'm now going to dish it out. I've dished it out and these are the end results. It looks absolutely amazing and very tasty. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.